Today my husband's going to show us how he makes his Asian chicken lettuce wraps. They're vegan, oil-free, sugar-free, low in carbohydrates, and absolutely scrumptious. It tastes like the original. Actually, I like his version much better. All right, so he is putting TVP. It is a dehydrated soy product, very low in carbs, very high in protein. So that's 2 cups of the TVP. I'm using Anthony's, which is certified organic. So that's 3 cups right there. And now we're gonna rehydrate this. And how much do you know to put in?
Just to where it's wet, covers it.
Yeah, because you don't want dry protein. Just mix it with a spoon. Kind of looks like oatmeal. For seasoning, we've got coconut aminos. So that looks like about 3 tablespoons. Stir it again, incorporate the flavors into that. So now for some more seasonings. And what spice is that? Oh, we've got red chili flakes. So what do you think? That's about 2 teaspoons.
Or teaspoon ginger.
Teaspoon of ginger. That's powdered ginger. Salt. What about half teaspoon maybe?
Yeah.
And what spice is this?
Paprika.
How much do you think that is? Teaspoon? Garlic powder, not too much, pretty strong, about a half teaspoon. And mix again to incorporate the spices. You see it is getting a little bit drier, and all that moisture will be absorbed. And I put it into the refrigerator to firm up until I'm ready to use it later today, and it's sitting nice and snug next to the cat food. So we've got some whole water chestnuts. I prefer to buy them whole because they just taste better and they're fresher. And this is in water, and we're just dicing them. And you want the pieces to be nice and small because they're going to be in these little lettuce wraps. And if they're too large, they will tear the lettuce. So this is the chopped water chestnuts. It's about 3/4 of a cup. So we've got 3 large green onions, and we're removing the outer layers. Okay, so what are you gonna do with these, Steve?
I'm gonna plant them in the garden.
Nice. So you're gonna. We're gonna have more fresh ones in our garden. All right, so now he's planting these. Oh, I see. So you put the furry part down.
It's the root.
All right, so he stirred the soaked TVP, and he's adding the water chestnuts and the green onions. Stir again. That smells really good already. Doesn't this look like ground chicken already? Much healthier. So now we have seeded cored red bell pepper that he's cutting into strips. So this is 1 whole sliced red bell pepper. And now he's peeling the carrot. Now he's cutting the raw carrot into strips, and those will be the topping. Okay, so 1 carrot has been cut into julienne slices, and now we're just going to put a cover on this and put that in the fridge until we're ready to eat it. Okay, so we've got a parchment lined baking sheet. We put the seasoned TVP on it, spreading it out. And we have the oven preheated at 375 degrees. As it's cooking, go ahead and stir it. And that way you get all the pieces cooked nice, well, and crispy. So now I'm just going to put the TVP on some lettuce cups. Got iceberg right here. Fill it up, lots of yummy protein. So we're gonna add our toppings. We've got the carrots, nice crunchy carrots. Got some cucumber, some raw crunchy sliced red bell peppers, some freshly washed cilantro. I love cilantro, it just gives it that brightness, freshness. And then the option is to add some spicy hot sriracha sauce for some kick in the butt. Time to eat. Looks super good. It's fresh, it's warm. I'm a messy eater. It was so good. It tastes more like ground turkey. I really like the crunch from the water chestnuts. I'll put the recipe in the comments below.